Привет, друзья! Как дела? My name is Fedor, and today you will learn how to describe things better in Russian with 50 most basic adjectives, words like big, small, etc. All the words that you guys must know for you to communicate better in Russian. Let's start with basic colors. Белый. Белый is white. Белый. У меня есть белая футболка. I have a white t-shirt. Белый can be talked about a person. I can say, я белый, I'm white. But also about the color of objects as well. Then we have голубой. Голубой is light blue. Небо голубое. The sky is blue or the sky is light blue. Then we have синий. Now синий is blue or darker blue or like regular blue, okay? Синий. Then we have желтый. Желтый means yellow. Мне нравятся желтые M&M's. I like yellow M&M's, okay? Next is зеленый. Зеленый means green. Трава зеленая. The grass is green. Then we have коричневый. Brown. Коричневый. Next up is красный. Красный means red. На светофоре красный цвет. Traffic light shows red color. Then we have оранжевый, and оранжевый means orange. It even sounds like orange. Оранжевый. Then we have розовый. Розовый is pink. Розовый. Мне нравится розовый цвет. I like pink color or pink, pink color. Then we have серый. Серый means gray, and серый can be referring to a color gray, but also серый can be gloomy. Сегодня как-то серо на улице. Today outside is a bit gray or is a bit gloomy, okay? Серый. Then we have фиолетовый. Фиолетовый means purple or sounds closer to violet, but it is simply better to translate it as purple. And finally we have черный. Черный means black. Моя футболка черная. My t-shirt is black. And you guys have probably seen in my sentences that the ending of these adjectives change. And that's because in Russian we have genders. Every single object has a gender, masculine and feminine, sometimes neuter and sometimes plural. And the endings change according to that gender. So just a brief, info about it. Masculine, the ending will be y or I, like черный. Then we have feminine, endings will be aya or yaya sometimes. Черная has aya ending. Neuter has ye or oye. Черное has oye at the end. And then finally for plural we have iye or iye. And черные has iye at the end. So that's how we change the gender of adjectives. And if this subject is new to you, I truly recommend you guys check out our B-Fluent class to learn things like these, the foundational basic grammar things. And the link is going to be the first one in the description. You will learn a lot of stuff on our platform with exercise, with grammar lessons, with practical lessons, and you will truly take your Russian to the next level. Alright, moving on with the video, we're done with colors. Now we're gonna go on to no category kind of words. Those words don't have a specific theme or topic to them. For example, the word такой means such. Такой. We cannot put такой in any category. What does such belong to? It's not really that easy to put it in a certain category. So такой means such. An example can be мне не очень нравятся такие машины. I don't like these kind of cars. Okay? Мне не нравятся такие машины. I don't like these kind of cars or such cars. Then of course we have большой. Большой means big. На улице стоит большая машина. Outside on the street there's a big car. Okay, большой means big. Then we have новый. Мне нужен новый костюм. I need a new outfit, I need a new suit. Новый. Then we have хороший. Он очень хороший мальчик. He's a very good boy, he's a very good guy. Then we have нужный. Нужный is a great adjective, it means necessary or needed. У нас нет нужного инструмента. We don't have a necessary tool or a needed tool. Then we have старый. Этот дом очень старый. This house is very, very old. Then we have маленький. У меня дома стоит маленькая кружка. I have a small cup at home. Маленькая, okay, or маленький means small. Then we have прошлый. Прошлый means previous or the one before. Я пропустил прошлый автобус. I missed or I skipped previous bus. Okay, прошлый. Then we have высокий. I can say я высокий парень. I'm a tall guy. Okay? I actually try by myself. And I can also use this one, молодой. Молодой means young when it comes to age. Молодой. I can also say by myself, я все еще молодой. I'm still young, okay? Я все еще молодой. Then we have настоящий. And настоящий either means present tense, we use this word настоящий, but also it means true or authentic or real. Настоящий. I can say, эта сумка не настоящая. This bag is not real, it's fake. Okay? Эта сумка не настоящая. This bag is not real. Then we have следующий, and следующий is similar to previous, прошлый, but следующий means next. Следующий. Okay, следующий. Then we have тяжелый. Oh, это очень тяжелая сумка. This bag is very, very heavy. Alright? Then we have длинный. Длинный. Длинный means long. Мы стоим в очень длинной очереди. We are in a very, very long line or very long queue. Then we have простой. Простой means simple. Я парень простой. I'm a very simple guy. Okay? Not necessarily true about me, but just as an example. Okay? Простой. Then we have короткий. Короткий means short. Эта веревка слишком короткая. This rope is too short. Эта веревка слишком короткая. Then we have темный. And темный means dark. Эта комната очень темная. This room is very dark. Then we have красивый. And красивый means beautiful. На улице очень красивая погода. Outside is a very beautiful weather. Красивая погода. Then we have близкий. Близкий means close or it's a thing that's nearby. It's not too far. Близкий. But also we can refer to a person as близкий, like to say that he is my relative or he is a close person of mine. But of course, as an adjective, this one means close. Then we have правый, and правый means right. On the right side, правый. Это моя правая рука. This is my right hand or right arm. Then we have больной. Больной means sick, and I can say это моя больная рука. This is my sick or this is my hurting arm, for example. It's not a sick arm, like it's not coughing or anything, but it's the one that's hurting, okay? Then we have холодный. Холодный means cold. Это кофе слишком холодное. This coffee is too cold. It's like a complaint that you can have at a coffee shop. Next we have важный. And важный is important. I can say, он очень важный человек. He's a very important person or a very important man. Очень важный. And then we have теплый. Теплый means warm. And I can say, мы устроили им теплый прием. We organized a warm welcoming to them. Okay, теплый. Then we have быстрый. Быстрый means fast. Это очень быстрая машина. This is a very fast car. Then we have другой. Другой means other. Я выбрал другую квартиру. I chose a different apartment. Not this one, but a different one. Okay? Другой. Then we have левый means left. Левая сторона дороги. Left side of the road. Левый. Then we have горячий, and горячий means hot when it comes to, a drink or something or a plate, but also can be used when it comes to people. I can say, она очень горячая женщина. She's a very hot woman, but not when it comes to her appearance. She's a very hot-spirited person. Like she is maybe very emotional or very, I guess very emotional is a good way to express it, горячий. Or a very spontaneous kind of a person, typically referring to things like how they treat other people. That's what горячий is used for when it comes to people. But of course, I can also say, мне нравится горячий чай. I like hot tea. Then we have любимый. And любимый means favorite. Это моя любимая футболка. This is my favorite t-shirt, for example. Also, любимый can be used to talk about a person. Любимый can be, you can call your wife or husband or boyfriend любимый, means my favorite or my loved one. Then we have здоровый, which means healthy. Здоровый. Наша нация очень здорова. Our nation is very healthy. Okay? Наша нация очень здорова. Next one is дорогой. And дорогой means valuable. It can be either expensive as a meaning or dear as a person, my dear friend or something like that. But of course, most frequently is used to say expensive. Моя куртка не очень дорогая. My jacket is not that expensive. Then we have умный, and умный means smart. У меня есть друг, он очень умный. I have a friend, he is very smart. Then we have плохой. Плохой means bad. Какой плохой запах. What a bad smell. Плохой. Then we have женский, and женский is female, but it's something that belongs to a woman. I can say, мы в женском отделе. We are in the female section. We are in the woman's section at a store. Then we have мягкий. Моя подушка очень мягкая. My pillow is very, very soft. Then we have круглый. Круглый means round, something that has a round shape. Дай мне, пожалуйста, круглую тарелку. Give me a round plate, please. Then we have светлый, and светлый means light. Это очень светлая комната. This is a very light room. And light meaning not heavy, but light like illuminated. Okay, светлый. Then we have сложный to mean complex. Это очень сложная загадка. This riddle is very, very complicated or complex. Сложный. And then lastly, we have опасный. And опасный means dangerous. Опасный район. Dangerous district or dangerous area. And that's all that we have for today. 50 adjectives for today. Click on this video to learn 50 verbs of A1 level.